This is one of the clearest examples of Apple quietly setting up a platform shift, not just a hardware refresh around the Apple TV 4K 2026. On the surface, it sounds like a simple upgrade cycle: new chip, faster Wi-Fi, better remote. But the way this is being positioned tells a different story. Apple isn't delaying this device because of hardware. They are waiting for software maturity, specifically the next evolution of Apple Intelligence and Siri inside tvOS 27. That's the real pivot point. The biggest change: it's no longer just a streaming box. The current generation of Apple TV 4K 2022 is already strong for streaming, smart home control, and even casual gaming. But it still behaves like a traditional media device, fast but reactive. The 2026 model is being built to behave differently, more like a computing hub for the living room. A 17 Pro, the real reason this matters. The rumored move to the A17 Pro is not about Netflix loading faster. It's about unlocking capabilities that didn't make sense before. Hardware ray tracing for console-level graphics. Native support for high-end games previously locked to phones. Much stronger real-time AI processing for Siri and recommendations. This is where Apple is clearly trying to blur the line between streaming device and lightweight console. AI is the actual product. The delay makes sense if you accept one idea: Apple doesn't want to ship the new Apple TV without Apple Intelligence fully baked in. That means on-device Siri that actually understands context. Search across apps, shows, and watch history in natural language. Smart recommendations that adapt to household behavior. To do that, Apple is reportedly doubling memory to 8 GB, because AI processing isn't optional here, it's foundational. Connectivity becomes invisible infrastructure. With expected upgrades like Wi-Fi 7 and improved Bluetooth, the goal isn't speed for the sake of specs. It's stability. In a home where everything, from controllers to AirPods to smart devices, connects through the Apple TV, latency and dropouts become the real enemy. The 2026 model is designed to quietly eliminate that friction. So should you wait? Here's the practical breakdown. If you already own the 2022 model of Apple TV 4K 2022, there's no urgency. You're not missing anything critical today. If you're buying now, the current discounts make it one of the best value streaming boxes on the market. But if you care about gaming performance, AI-driven smart home control, future-proof connectivity, deeper Siri integration, then the 2026 model isn't just an upgrade, it's a different category. The real takeaway: Apple isn't trying to make the Apple TV slightly better. They are trying to make it central again. And that's why this launch feels delayed, strategic, and unusually important.